One night I was standing completely in pitch dark, heart of Mumbai, lots of glitz and glamour around, surrounded by more than 2,500 homeless citizens, and nobody knows about it. One reality, everybody knows. This alternative realities, nobody knows. My name is Abhishek Bharadwaj. I run this not-for-profit organization here, which is called Alternative Realities. I was homeless for a few months in Delhi. I had lots and lots of homeless friends on street living in open. Then I realized the way they live, they get exploited every second, especially in the night when so many people come on street and start exploiting them. They are invisible, really invisible for the city population. And that's not a small number. More than 150,000 people are sleeping in open. They are not the slum population. They don't have anything on their head. So this is really the lowest rung of urban poverty. You cannot go beyond that.
सरकार की तरफ से कुछ मदद नहीं मिली, कुछ नहीं है, सब अपना मेहनत से कमाना खाना पीना है, सरकार कुछ मदद नहीं करती।
There are a lot of these boys we noticed would dive into the water that is so toxic because there's industrial waste and religious ceremonies and waste from there. We try to build confidence in the boys and got them to speak. We realize that this is their way to earn a livelihood. They're usually boys who run away, and to earn a livelihood they dive into the bottom of the river, and they do that for about 4 hours a day, and they sift coins, what can just about buy them 2 meals. It doesn't cover for clothes or for a shelter or for a house.
ये तो मजबूरी है ना, खुशी से कौन करेगा ये काम, ये कमाना पड़ता ना, पेट है ये, पेट के लिए तो किसको भी कमाना पड़ता।
10 साल बाद अगर बेटा आके बोला कि मुझे सिक्के चुनने, तुम जाने दोगे?
नहीं,
क्यों?
क्योंकि अपने को मालूम है ना इसमें कैसा कैसा झेलना पड़ता, हाथ कट जाते, पैर फट जाते, इसके अंदर बहुत तकलीफ है। ये आसान काम नहीं है, ये आसान समझ के कोई भी कर लेगा। इसके अंदर काज बहुत है, वहाँ से बोलते औजार फौजार पड़े रहते अंदर। मेरा बाप को बोले तो अभी 18 साल हो गए मरने के लिए, दारू वारू पीता था मेरा बाप। वैसे ही दवाखाने में एडमिट हुए थे तो दिमाग की टीवी भी हो गई थी जरा। अम्मी का भी अभी हुआ 3-4 साल हो गए।
They need to live on the streets, on the pavements, on the roads, because they don't have houses. That's not legal in this country. There are police raids. There'll be a force which will come and drive them out, or ask these boys to pay $1 or $2 a month just to ensure that they don't beat them up. And that's not legal. That's corruption. So apart from not having a job and not having a shelter, they're having to pay government officials to just make sure that they're safe.
The inner and core idea of alternative realities is to train these homeless citizens and lead their fight. So create a geographical group, select and train leaders in every geographical group, create a federation to give that visibility, to make people understand, work together, create a support group, create a big platform, and it's a voice for these voiceless people, and then to ensure that there are policies in favor of homeless citizens.
अरे 2-3 बार चले गए थे, सरकार के दौर गए, दादर गए, उधर गए, सब जगह घूम गए, बोलते हैं राशन कार्ड नहीं, ग्रुप नहीं, तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं हो सकता। राशन कार्ड चाहिए, वो चाहिए, होएगा तो कुछ सारा करेंगे, नहीं तो कुछ नहीं। वो सरकार को उसके जब बारे में बंदोबस्त करना चाहिए। जब रेन बसारा बनाया तो गरीब लोग पे कहाँ पे रहेंगे? यह व्यक्ति हमारे लिए यहाँ पे रखी थी, तो म्यूनसिपालिटी आई, पूरा सब उठा के सब डाल दिया अंदर।
Based on my past 6 to 7 years of experiences working with the homeless citizens here in Mumbai, they are the actual city makers, because all low-end jobs are being done by them. Right from putting up banners to cleaning your houses, homeless rag pickers. They collect all garbage, they recycle it and they live on it. But their own carbon footprint is almost nil.
If they are given a shelter, livelihood will follow. And once they have a livelihood, probably at 35 or 40 and they're 20 now, they're going to have their own kids and who will be able to then go to school. They won't have to dive in this river. It absolutely is dependent on other people. They can't take that call, what is going to happen to them.
क्या वो जैसा दुनिया काम करती ना, एक हमारा काम बन गया वो, बस जैसी लाइफ बन गई, घरदार बन गया अपना, तो हट आएंगे अपन यहाँ से।
Funding is very challenging these days, especially when you are working with homeless population. One thing which I always encourage, and one thing which is also in the agenda of Alternative Realities, is to bring people from different classes and sectors to meet these homeless citizens, to understand that this is the invisible section of society and we need them. We cannot live without them. They are the backbone economy. Anyway, trying to create a society which is better, which is inclusive. So, why we are living and why there is a gap.
आप आए जब से थोड़ा शांति, आप नहीं थे उसके पहले बहुत परेशानी।